Highkey explained, understanding modern slang. Hey there, language enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into the world of modern slang and exploring the term highkey. If you've heard it in movies, music, or on social media and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Originally stemming from the world of music production, highkey and its counterpart, low-key, referred to the tonal qualities of a sound. In music, a highkey sound is more prominent or louder, while low-key sound is softer or muted. But just like many terms, it found its way into everyday slang and took on a different meaning. In modern slang, highkey is used to express strong agreement, intensity, or emphasis on a particular subject. It's the opposite of low-key, which is used to express something in a subtle or understated way. For example, I highkey love this song means I really love this song. She was highkey mad at him means she was very mad at him. To help you understand better, let's see highkey in action. 1. He's highkey the smartest person in the room. He's definitely the smartest person in the room. 2. I'm highkey excited for the weekend. I'm extremely excited for the weekend. 3. This ice cream is highkey the best I've ever had. This ice cream is truly the best I've ever had. While highkey is popular in informal conversations, especially among younger generations, it might not be understood or appreciated in more formal settings. It's essential to know your audience and decide if using slang like highkey is appropriate. There you have it. Now you know what highkey means and how to use it in conversations. Language is ever evolving, and slang keeps it fresh and dynamic. Hopefully, this video has highkey helped you understand this trendy term better. Until next time, happy learning!